Hindi naman kasi lahat ng mga ano dyan, boy. Mayaman.
Saan?
Ateneo.
Oo.
May mga scholar din kasi dyan.
Oo.
Pero meron din dyan talaga mga legit na mayaman.
Pinakasagad, binild. Sure mayaman talaga, ano?
Hindi naman. Pantay-pantay lang yan. Lasal, Ateneo. UST.
Hindi. Mga binild. Saan ba kaya sa Jimwell? Bakit?
Nadadawit na naman.
Siyempre.
Unli Jimwell.
Gano'n baan mo dati nun? High school.
200 per week.
College.
1K. Tapos naging 2K.
Big time ka rin pala eh.
Bakit?
Ako nga 40 lang eh. Isang araw eh.
College?
Oo. Libre baon na kasi ko.
Malapit lang kasi bahay mo. Eh ako, babiyahe pa ng Bulacan to Manila. Yun yung nagpapamahal dun. Parang ang allowance ko lang nun, labas na yung pamasahe. Parang mga 90 lang, 80, ganun. Kaya minsan nag-1, 2, 3 na lang ako sa bus eh. Show may rice na lang.
Tapos only dapitan.
Oo. Ano ba yun? Meron yung isa eh. Akala ko dati boy, mga Ateneo, hindi na tinitigyawat.
May tigawat din yan. Pag mga-commute.
Kasi parang pag sinabi mo kasi Ateneo, parang laking ano na eh, no? Parang laging naka-aircon din sa bahay.
Sagad sa cool kid kasi.
Oo.
Come with me to my first day as a college student. Today the freshmen had their
Pag,
orientation seminar.
tapos kalimitan mga konyo.
I arrived at school at exactly 7 a.m.
Pag diyan ka nag-aaral ba yung magiging konyo ka rin kaya?
Register. And the moment we stepped in, the energy was ready.
Depende. Pagka sumama ka sa mga konyo.
But was definitely a great way to
Ano kaya masarap gawin dyan boy sa Ateneo?
We were greeted by these flashy, creatively designed signs that would eventually lead us
Only
to our
ano
block.
lang, shooting.
Our block sign said, keep an eye out for Selena because we're block safe. But after I got to my seat, we
Only
went to
abang.
roam around and visit the
Abang ng
booths.
alin?
And the moment I
Mga
sat down, I
tropa.
already made a new friend. Hey,
Mga
Pei,
naka-sports
because we
bra.
didn't have any Ateneo merch, we decided to buy to get us all hyped up and to feel the feels. You know what I'm saying? The program finally started.
Dadagit ka dyan boy, pag diyan ka nag-aaral.
School spirit. After
Pwede.
the performance, we all had
Parang agi lang ano. Ikot-ikot ka siguro
Oo.
dyan sa Ateneo.
session. And it took us
Baka
quite
di
a
ka
while
na
to
pumasok eh.
This session was all about giving us a
Ali, ikot ka na lang eh.
to the School of Social Sciences, which
Gagi.
was under
Sure nood ka pag may volleyball.
talks by our dean, hosts,
Oo.
upperclassmen, and also had a small game with freshmen as well.
Magaganda otis kasi dyan eh. Ateneo.
Able to retouch,
Sure.
Oo nga.
Quality yung mga kinakain.
Kumbaga sa Tekken,
get to know the people we were
Ateneo.
for the next 4 years.
Negative uminom ng mga RC-RC lang.
And got more sponsors. Here we are
Sure,
down.
ano pinaka-soft drinks?
So random, but also so
Ano yan?
And I
Tawag
was
dito.
geography, like,
Sure
as I
Virgin.
said, the most random things, of course, it
Hindi,
wouldn't
Coke.
be a welcoming
Coke Zero.
crowd
Ganun.
watching the battalion perform. Always such a warm welcome from them and chills when
Sure
we-
De Otto,
during lunch there's
Dwight Ramos.
Ano?
De Otto, pag umuwi.
Wala na yun. Siguro... Nag-aaral pa kaya yun?
Dati.
Graduate na.
Galaro na yun eh. Gilas na nga eh. Sure De Otto yun.
Hindi na kayo nagkaka-renderya yun. Dwight Ramos.
Hindi yun. Recta grab food.
Sure ano ginagrab po Dwight Ramos na gutom.
Recta Subway. Terence.
Ha?
Terence Recta ano.
Terence Romeo?
Oo.
Recta Hepalin.
Yun ang...
Hindi, syempre college yun. Syempre ngayon iba na si Terence eh.
Ba't Dwight Ramos?
Ha? Ano?
Sagad.
Ano? Mayaman yan eh. Si Pimo Ramos. Ramos na yung apelido.
Fidel Ramos.
Kay Soto ba Ateneo din?
Oo. Ito may language pack ni, ano, kay Soto.